population where it guide for a house. We population not get no arms, but they shoot that population. And then the other picture this way show one for here. You see another picture of that. Now if you go to my Facebook page, Senator Cletus Officiel, Senator Cletus with Kleus. And I will see here for day one or two. So when I see I'm saying for tchiroma my platform this tchiroma 2025. Now you don't publish them, and then now messages with Issa now. He say he talk about the toll for the attack on a building and all the people that they are running. He say two people them armed men they don't kill them, snipers them. He say I wonder what will be said this time, shooting point blank at your own brothers. I can't help but wonder if your mercenaries kill me if you want, but I will liberate this country by any means necessary. What blatant impunity. Issa Chiroma say he will liberate Cameroon by all means necessary. Say he no go